How to set up a shop on Etsy. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can set up a shop on Etsy, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you have a business or maybe you are an individual seller, you want to begin selling on Etsy. It is very simple to do so. All you have to do is just open up your browser and then go to etsy.com website. I will make sure to drop a link and then make sure to sign into your account. This is basically a customer account, an account that I can use to shop for specific products. Now if you want to create your own shop in order to begin selling, on the top right hand side of the screen you'll find a little shop icon that says shop manager. So all you need to do is just click on the shop manager button. Once you click on the shop manager button, it will ask you to simply enter your shop preferences. Once you enter your shop preferences such as your shop language, your shop country and shop currency, you simply want to name your shop on the next step. Name your shop and then click on save and continue. Then you have to simply stock your shop, which means great job on your first listing. You have to make sure to at least enter 1 or 2 products. Then you have to select your payment method as to how you will get paid. So you can select tax purposes, what type of seller are you. Just make sure to enter all of your tax pay address and everything else. Then on the next page you have to set up your billing address as well as your shop security, and you can start selling on Etsy after you've completed all the steps. It is very simple. Hope this video helped you as to how you can set up a shop on Etsy. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.